Hello and welcome. My name is Katie. I am the owner and founder of VibroSound Healing and now Encoded Frequencies. I am very excited to share with you one of my major loves and passions when working with clients, when working with myself, and with working with the medium of sound, which is the exciting world of tuning forks. Throughout this course, I aim to share with you the basic techniques that you will need to understand on a theoretical level, looking at the science of sound and understanding the concepts like resonance, entrainment, the laws of physics, describing how sound is physical and energetic. I believe it's really important to work with both the physical and practical elements of utilizing sound. But being an energy medicine practitioner, initially before working with sound, I have seen the results of working on myself, working with clients, when I couple a basic understanding of how to channel energy through my body and use it through the medium of the sound wave. So I intend to share with you both practical tools to get you started. Say you've just got a new set of forks and you're like, what do I do? Really cool exercises that you can use on yourself every day, you can share with friends, and you can use to clear up the energy of the space, release stuck emotions from your body, bring new energy into the body, align the chakra system, clear out the auric field, give yourself a sonic facial. There's so many amazing techniques that I have found utilizing the forks that have really benefited my own life and also given me an ability to reach into the future and set intentions which are profoundly enhanced and amplified through the medium of sound. So what you'll need for this course is at least one tuning fork. We sell at VibroSound, we just started hand making our own tuning forks, which is really exciting. We sell the set of 9 original unweighted solfeggio frequencies, and we'll go into what that means. And then we also have the weighted tuning forks. That is something that you can connect with me and discuss about which forks you would like. But for now, I wish you all the very best. Should you have any questions throughout the course, feel free to email me, and I'd gladly share with you what I know. Hope you enjoy.